What's up, guys? Here we are on another episode of Graded 10 Sports Cards and More, where it's always graded 10. You know what? We were so happy with the Blaster 2025 select boxes, we decided to get into these mega boxes and see if we can pull any big hits, see anything different. These are the black and red Prism Shock boxes, so coming along with this kind of gold colorish cellophane packaging. So on the lookout for zebras, coppers, purple shocks. I would imagine some of the similar stuff that's in the Blaster retail boxes. So if you have any other intel, always like, subscribe, most definitely, leave a comment. And if there's anything that you'd like to see us rip, let us know. So for time restraints, not to bore you, last episode kind of ran a bit lengthy, but we try to shorten it up. We went ahead and took all the packs. We've got 4 mega boxes here that we've already kind of prepped and pulled the packages out. So we're going to jump into these and see if we can pull something good, shall we? Let's do it. And the first pack. And here we go. Emeka on the rookie. Stephon Diggs. Puka. Jordan Watkins on the red and black rookie. So, Concourse. And Breece Hall. Premier level. And a couple other base. So, and we'll just keep going down the row here. 42 cards total in each box. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs as usual. Excuse me. Jared Goff. There we go. There's our first silver. Keyshawn Judkins, the rookie. Teamed up with Shador. Jalen Milroe on the red and black rookie. That will be a Concourse. Cam Ward and Bijan. Another silver here. Antonio Gate. And we got a auto out of nowhere. Bam. Jack Beck for the Raiders. Rookie card. And a couple, set that there. Couple base. Okay, very nice. Starting off. So we'll place that in the throne back there. And on to the next one. Okay, opening up our 4th pack. Genty. I'd like to get something big there. Bradshaw Smith. Harrison Smith. And some more base. Put these base out of the way. Alright, going through, starting from the right again. Troy Aikman, Blast from the Past. And there's your boy Travis Hunter for Jacksonville. Now there's another version of these boxes that we'll probably get into later. It's a pink prism, and instead of the box outline here being pink, it's green. They come with a little different stuff. Drake London on the red and black. And another Travis Hunter. Oh. Michael Penix. DJ Moore. Tank Bigsby. There's Abdul Carter on this supercharged. And there's also a third box deemed a hobby mega that's orange, little shorter profile. Marion Hampton, base. Tucker Kraft. And there's a Tyler Show on the red and black. Rookie. Premier level. Nice. Cam Ward. All right. A little Baker Mayfield on the back. Malik Neighbors. Kelvin Banks. Jordan Birch. There's a Jackson Dart on the base, rookie. All right, well, definitely off to a slow beginning here. Not quite halfway through. Another Amari Hampton. Marion Hampton. Luther Burden on the rookie. Donovan Jackson. All right, all this hype I'm talking about with with his select, and we get one auto. Select, don't let me down here. Keyshawn base. Caleb Williams, very nice. Okay, there's McMillan. Jared Goff again. Oh, yeah. Green fluorescent with a prism right behind it, with a red and black right behind it. So we'll set these here. Couple base. And just as I was doubting, here we go. Let's start with a pull from behind. Cam Ward on the rookie, red and black. Very nice. And that will be the premier level. Whoa. Premier level. We'll put that with the Tyler. And Rashid Shaheed for the Giants. Nice prism. And oh, it's upside down. Is it a rookie? Oh, well, we just gave it away. But a Marvin Harris Jr. numbered 699. We'll take it. The green neon. Not a rookie card, but nonetheless still a banger. Put that bad boy right back there. There you go. Thank you, Marvin. And we got a base. All right. Well, Select is trying not to disappoint. Halfway through now. Round in second. Base hit there. It felt weird, a little thick. Chase Brown on the red and black. Brock Purdy. Will Johnson, Jahmyr Gibbs. Malik again. Jaden Daniels.
That's it. That's the big fairness.
Tommy. And a couple more base. And that's how it be sometimes. You get all worked up over one card and the thunder comes to a halt. Trey Benson, Mr. Felton, Lane, no Genty yet. Ooh. Kyron Williams. Another rookie. Geno Smith. Ooh, boy, would that be a beaut. A base, but a Mecca Futures rookie. Wow. That would have been quite the surprise. All right. And we got a fat pack here, so we all know what that means. We all know what that means. There it is. Let's McMillan. Alton Kincaid. I see a little silver action. Amari Hampton on the rookie club level. Silver. And is it me, or did they just forget something with this card compared to these? Not sure. Oh, and we'll set that over here. We'll pass the base. We've got a red. I have yet to pull a red patch. So I'm looking. I have no idea. But let's do, what do we got? And we got Stefon Diggs. Stefon Diggs on the red multiverse. Oh, got what looks more like a patch here with the purple, the Vikings, solid color with the Patriots. This is not numbered. The blues that we've pulled have been not numbered, so this, I'm assuming, must just be a alternate for these mega boxes. The blues were in the blaster. Very colorful. Much like the blues. Kind of liking the blue myself, but again, this is not numbered. But Stefon Diggs, nonetheless, decent card. So, and we'll keep it moving. And there's another Marion. But this is just going to be a base. Brian Thomas Jr. on the red and black. Trey Harris. I think we got another. Should have another something coming. Bucky Irvin, Drake May, and we got another fluorescent. So we'll go ahead and clear the deck here. Another Marion Hampton. This looks like that's from the premier level. Kirsten Wharf. Nick on the rookie. Drake May. Now, see if we can not give it away so soon. Well, it's a rookie. It's a rookie. And boy, I can't tell from the helmet, but here goes nothing. And we got RJ Harvey, the Broncos. Denver Broncos rookie on the concourse. 377 of 699. So another green fluorescent. Just behind the Drake May base card. And we're on our fifth pack, 4 packs left. Thus the hits so far: 2 green fluorescents, 1 rookie autograph, and a red multiverse. So Derrick Henry, Dustin, Trey Benson, and we're just going to call it another base pack. Yeah, Tyler Warren on the rookie. All right, counting them down. Feeling the packs. I don't know. See a silver. Trey Henderson. Devon on the silver. Christian Benford. And Cam Ward on the turbocharged. Man, that would have been nice too. Nice too. Because of what I'm feeling, I'm gonna come in from the left here. Whoa, I'm gonna come in from the left here. Slick packs. Hold on. Oh, Caleb Johnson on the rookie. Jackson Dart on the rookie. Base. David Carr. Savon Williams. And George Kittle on the turbo. All right, second to last. Marvin Harris, JJ. There's another hollow. Cam. Good old Lamar. Saquon Barkley. All right, last pack. Last pack. For the 2025 Select Black and Red Prism boxes. Last pack. And we got another patch. And ooh, not sure. Not sure. Oh, there's Trayvon Henderson again. Jalen Carter on the silver. Kyle Pitts. We'll pull from behind. Tyler Warren on the futures. That would have been a nice one. Okay. It's a rookie. It's a rookie. Round 2. And 40th pick. Round 2, 40th pick. It's Saints. And it's a rookie. And it's a rookie. It's a rookie. It's Saints. Round 2. 40th. Could it be? Is it? Yes, sir. There you go. There you go, Mr. Tyler. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for saving. Thank you for saving. Oh, Tyler show. Yes. On the red and gold, or red and bronze. So, nonetheless, gorgeous card. So, Saints. Wow. There it is. 2 of 40. Can't get any more even than that. Oh. So just to recap, you got the Tyler, you got the Multiverse Diggs, you've got the Auto Jack Beck for the Raiders, you've got Marvin Harris Jr. on the green neon, which was 270 of 699. Nice solid number there. And R.J. Harvey on the rookie for the Broncos at 377 out of 699. So there you have it, folks. Along with some decent base, you got Jackson Dart on the base rookie. Oh, you got Marion on the silver rookie. And then you got some Cam Ward, another Tyler on the red and black club level, or premier level rather. Oh, not bad, not bad. So, blasters were a little more forgiving, but this is only the beginning of getting into these mega boxes. But I don't know, not bad. Let me know what you think. Comment below, like, subscribe. Let us know what's good. And until next time, as always, where it's graded 10. Bye now.